Hello and welcome to Evans Halshaw TV. In this video we're going to show you how to pump up your car's tyres. Before you get started, you'll need a tyre pump. Many modern vehicles come with an electric pump and tyre repair kit in lieu of a spare wheel. If your car doesn't come with a pump, we recommend purchasing an electric one, since manual foot pumps can be time consuming and tiring to use. To get started, you'll first need to ensure your car is stationary with the handbrake on, and then choose the first tyre you'd like to check. Looking at the wheel and tyre, you should see a valve poking out through a small part of the alloy wheel itself. It's typically small, black and thin, and has a cap on that's similar to what you'd find on a bicycle. Unscrew the cap from the valve and keep it somewhere you won't lose it. You'll then need to connect your tyre pump. For the purpose of this tutorial, we're going to be using the electric pump supplied with the car. But if you don't have one, you can purchase a similar model online. Electric compressors usually plug into a power outlet within your car, such as a 12-volt socket, making them ideal if you're away from home and need to check your car's tyre pressures. With any car tyre pump, you'll need to connect the pump's air hose and connector with the tyre's valve, which is done by screwing it on. Be careful not to cross-thread the connector when fitting it. Once connected, your tyre pump, whether it's manual or electric, will indicate what the tyre's current pressure is. From here, you'll need to cross-reference the readout with the manufacturer's recommended tyre pressures, which can typically be found in your car's handbook, in the door seams, or behind the fuel filler cap. If the tyre's pressure meets the recommended specifications set by the manufacturer, then you can unscrew the tyre pump and replace the valve cap. If the tyre needs more air, then you'll need to use the pump to increase the pressure. Manual pumps are intuitive to use, whilst electric compressors often allow you to preset the intended pressure before turning them on, and automatically turn off when done. Once your tyre is at the correct pressure, you can remove the pump and replace the valve cap. You need to repeat the process with the other tyres, ensuring they're all sitting at the correct pressure. Please note, if you're having to check and top up your vehicle's tyre pressures on a regular basis, then that indicates that you may have a leak, which we recommend getting repaired as soon as possible. If this video has helped you, then please subscribe to our channel and remember to click the bell as well. For more helpful advice and guides, please take a look at our other videos or visit our website. And remember, if you need help maintaining your car because you don't have time to, or you don't feel comfortable, then your nearest Evans Halshaw retailer will be more than happy to assist. Thank you for watching.